Good morning, children. I hope you would have heard the story of King Bruce and the spider. It teaches us never to lose hope. We should keep on trying till we get success. We should not get disappointed. My dear children, today we will read a poem from English text book, chapter 3, unit 3. The title of the poem is Don't Quit. First of all, I read the poem and then I will explain it. The poem is: When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the dates are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow, you may succeed with another blow. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt. And you can never tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems so far. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you must not quit. This poem is an inspirational poem that talks about perseverance or determination. It urges us to keep trying because we don't know which blow by the hammer may break the stone. The poem has been written in rhyming couplets. It means that the rhyming of the last words of two lines match together. Let's see. Will, uphill, high, sigh, bit, quit, turns, learns, about, out, slow, blow, out, doubt, are, far, hit, quit. And my dear children, the rhyming scheme of the poem is AA, BB, CC, DD, and so on. The theme of the poem is, we can also say it, the central idea of the poem is: life is like a roller coaster with so many twists and turns, and we cannot predict what will happen next. This poem describes how life can beat you down, but in order to succeed, we need to get up and try again. The poem inspires us never to quit when life gets hard. Now, explanation. The poet is saying that life will go wrong sometimes. Things do not always go the way we plan them to. Sometimes our plans go well and life continues as we want it to. But sometimes things do not work out as they are planned. Therefore, life also has moments when things go right. The word road is not used literally, it is used in a metaphoric sense, and it suggests encounters in life. When we hear of road, we think of direction. Thus, there is times when you will be overwhelmed in a given aspect of your life, that is your economic situation. The poet uses when rather than if. It is a certain that at some point in your life you will face challenges or hard times. Never ending challenges make it seem like you have no moment of trudging downhill and no moment of easily trudged flatland. Rather, your journey is all about climbing uphill. Life is like a journey whereby some roads are tough and tiresome. Life is full of challenges. Now, next two lines. When the funds are low and the dates are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh. It means that lack of finance is a big everyday challenge for many people. Debt is negative thing. When you are in debt, you have no happiness because you know that you are obliged to pay that money. It could also be metaphorical, applying to a lack of control and your inability to regain it. Now, next two lines. When care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. My dear children, here care means anxiety, worry, frustration, uncertainty, which has been brought about by the problems that you face in life. These negative feelings arise from unfulfilled desires and needs and wants. So, the hidden message is don't quit even when you feel like you can't go on. Now, next two lines. Life is square with its twists and turns, and every one of us sometimes learns. It means that when facing difficult circumstances in life that tire you, there is another option from quitting. It means that we should not quit. We may have another option. The option is to rest. It means that we should take some rest, but we should not quit. Consider this, when you are climbing a hill and you quit, what happens? And what if you rest a bit? There is always another option in life which does not involve quitting. It is better to take rest for some time but never to quit. And notice that this line ends with a period to emphasize the key point here. A period signifies that it is time to rest. All through from the beginning, the poem was continuous like an uphill climb. Now rest, but don't dare to quit. Now, next two lines. And many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. My dear children, it means that life does not always go smoothly. We will encounter challenges in our life. Some of them are like twists where they are totally unexpected. Some of them are like turns and you do expect them. What you expect, you can prepare for. What you don't expect is difficult to handle. Either way, this is normal in life. Remember that in life it will not always be uphill. So don't quit since life is like that. We should not get disappointed or unhopeful. We should accept the strangeness or queerness of life. It is not a new thing. Every human being can learn this in the course of their life. You probably already have. Now, next two lines. Don't give up though the pace seems slow. You may succeed with another blow. Dear children, it is easier to turn about when we face with failure rather than trudging on. Many have failed and quit because they have failed. Other people have stopped quitting. You are not alone. Others have experienced hard times in life and they have quit. Don't quit just because you have experienced a failure. Your win might just be nearby. Don't give up. Stick it out even in failure. So, my dear children, you should keep on moving. Beyond this twist, there could be a good turn. Many who have quit were just about to succeed. On this road of life, some people will overtake you. Don't quit because your pace seems slow. Don't lose patience. Don't give up because failure has slowed you down. My dear children, here a hyphen has been used. It shows that the next line in the poem is closely related to the previous in the sense that it explains it. In short, you may replace the hyphen with because also. But this poem has to keep rhyming with a regular meter, so a hyphen fits better. Give yourself another chance. You may succeed the next time you try again. The poet says that you may succeed. It is not a guarantee that the next blow will succeed. But how would you know if you gave up? So we should never give up. It means to say that don't give up even if you fail many times. If another blow fails, try another and another. The imagery used here, and notice that this line ends with a period. It is the end of that idea. It is a full statement that can stand on its own. When you are uncertain, you lack strength. You may perceive the aspired goal to be so far away, yet it could be nearer than what you think. So don't let your current state or present state of weakness or miserable situation to cloud your judgment. You may be so near to where you want to be. You may be very close to your goal or aim. You may be very close to your success. So you should never quit. When you quit, you lose. However, when you don't quit, you have a chance of winning. You will soon regret it when you quit for fear or become tired of the struggle, but it will be too late to do anything about it. You will regret it when you realize that you are so close to achieving your goal, but then you give up. So, life is unpredictable, but there is always a hope for the best. Despite that, you never know what will happen next. So, my dear children, if you quit, you might regret it later. So, what is the message here? We should not quit at all. Now, last two lines. It means that success and failure are closely related. Look at your failure as a learning opportunity. You can turn your failure into success. Turned inside out gives me the idea of clothing. Success and failure are made of the same. So, beneath success, there is failure, and beneath failure, there is success. Then, these lines define what success is. Life is a fight, and it will often present you with pain or hardships. You probably have been hit with many small challenges in life and you continue to live. You can still continue with your life even when you face bigger challenges. So, at last, don't quit. You go feel like quitting. Don't quit during what you consider to be the worst times. You can go through your hard situations. Things sometimes are not the worst, they just seem worst. So, at such times, you must not quit. Fight to the end. So, at end, I would like to say that life is not as simple as it looks. Life is not a bed of roses. When the wheel of fortune keeps turning, failure is a stepping stone to success. Nothing can be gained without hard work. We should motivate ourselves to achieve success. So don't give up, don't stop, don't lose hope. Try and try until you succeed.